2021.
No. Ladies, together. Who are you?
Miss Universe! Namaste, Sat Shri Akal Universe. Thank you so much to each one of you for supporting me since day one, always believing in me and making me feel worth this. Now this is the time to save the universe. Let's do it together. Thank you. Love.
Here is the question. What advice would you give to young women watching on how to deal with the pressures they face today?
Well, I think the biggest pressure the youth of today is facing is to believe in themselves. To know that you are unique and that's what makes you beautiful. Stop comparing yourselves with others and let's talk about more important things that's happening worldwide. I think this is what you need to understand. Come out, speak for yourself because you are the leader of your life. You are the voice of your own. I believed in myself and that's why I'm standing here today. Thank you.
Thank you. And the new Miss Universe is India.
Namaste, Sat Shri Akal. I'm Harnaaz Sandhu from India. Well, I've done my bachelor's in information technology and currently I'm doing my master's in public administration that I want to make my country proud, whether it's in acting, beauty pageant or modeling. And it fills my heart with pride and gratitude when I talk about my country, India. I'm very close to it. It's filled with colors, vibrance, tradition, culture, religions and different kind of flavors of spices. My mother is the creator of my life. She's the one who showed me that if this is your life, you have to work hard if you want to earn the position or you have to achieve your goals. No matter that you are a woman, you can make it happen. The way my mom did it, the way I am doing, I want to spread this voice to everyone else. You need to stand for yourself. You need to speak. You are the leader of your life and you can change. But before that, I'm going to talk about climate change. So we have the power to bring back the world it was supposed to be like. So that will be my ultimate goal. I personally make sure that I reduce my carbon footprint, save electricity, reuse AC water. It's now or it's never. I hope that I can transform millions of people and to make them realize the purpose and passion for why they are here and they have to conquer what they have done here.